Hello and welcome to our channel, the ultimate hub for Node keyboard enthusiasts and pianists alike. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button for your weekly dose of all things piano. Today, we're diving into something that applies to any technology device, not just keyboards, and that is software updates. I would say, as a rule of thumb, it is best practice to make sure your device is running the latest software version released by its manufacturer. By the end of this video, you should understand the process of applying and upgrading to the latest Node firmware for your Node keyboard. Running the latest software or operating system on your Node brings the following benefits. You get fixes for identified software issues after the product has already been released, and sometimes, where applicable, some new added welcome features. We will look at the workflow you should follow when going through a software upgrade process and why. We will use Node PIANORD 5 as an example, but the same applies to any Node keyboard. And with that, let's get started. Are there any prerequisites? Yes. You'll need a laptop that has a USB port. You'll need the USB cable provided by Node with your Node keyboard. And you'll need access to internet to access the Node servers in order to download the application and the firmware upgrade tool. The tool itself will check the existing or source firmware version prior applying the new or target version. However, it's useful to know which version your Node is on at that moment before upgrading. For example, mine is on 1.24. On Node PIANORD 5, you can see that under System and Settings menu. I will then go to my laptop and walk you through the process step by step. Let's first go to the Node's main website under nodekeyboards.com. Once the web page has loaded, try and locate the Downloads section. Click on Downloads. Once there, choose the keyboard that you want. I'll choose Node PIANORD 5, that's what I've got. And in here I can see all the Node OSs starting from the most recent one. So the most recent one at this date for Node PIANORD 5 is version 1.30. What else can I have here? I have two versions of the OS update file. It comes into a archive.zip for Windows, and it comes into DMG package for Mac OS. Obviously, I can see the release dates, and also I can read the update history as well. First, let me download the file. So it's downloaded already on my computer. Then I can go on up and see the history update. In this section, I'll be able to see what Node has included in this particular release, version 1.30, that's been released in June 2024. And we can see Node has added support for special release behavior for string samples supporting this feature. And if you follow Node, you will know that they've released a new sample for the synth engine for strings. So it made sense to make it relevant for the Node PIANORD 5 to be able to play that and read that and pass it. They renamed the heavy velocity curve for outgoing MIDI to standard heavy in the MIDI menu. Sustain position on sample synth decade sustain release knob now provides a release time as defined in the sample preset. And some improvements to the sample synth amp envelope behavior. We don't have all the details on those improvements, what they are, but at least we know high level what's included in this Node OS update. Obviously, now I will just open that archive, that zip file. Immediately we can see it's an executable inside of it, and just launch it. And that's my upgrade tool. It's that simple. Just simply launch that application. You can say it's reading now. Obviously, make sure the USB cable is connected to the piano as well, to your Node keyboard and to your computer. And it's able to immediately identify what's the current OS running on your Node keyboard. So I can click update, because it makes sense. Now it's rebooting the Node OS to update mode, freeing some space, and now it's sending the file there, sending the update. The update has been completed and it's just reloading the OS and is waiting for the reload to complete on the Node PIANORD 5. As you can see, it's also only 4.2 meg, so it happened very quick. Definitely it's an incremental update. So just some changes to the existing OS, and then it tells you update completely successfully. Let me know, how did you find the upgrade process? There you have it, how to upgrade your Node OS to the latest release. I'm Stan, and this was fun. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Node insights. Until next time, keep those keys singing and your melodies swinging. See you next time.